We all strive for the same thing, right? Exactly. Getting our customers' cars back on the road as quickly as possible. In order to achieve this, we need great planning by genuine workshop heroes. And they, in turn, need the perfect overview. Here is ToolNet, the state-of-the-art inventory and process management system for car workshops around the world. ToolNet helps the workshop manager to make sure that he always has all required tools and equipment available in his inventory for every repair for every customer. And in addition, ToolNet ensures that the right tool is always in the right place at the right time. With the check-in and check-out function, every employee knows who is using which asset at any given time, and every tool has its place. ToolNet shows detailed information for every individual asset, location, availability, condition, etc., etc., etc. ToolNet is the central tool that allows you to optimize your processes and to administrate workshop assets effectively with a minimum of effort. That gets your customers back on the road faster.